reigning champion of the world over here. Terri Trades, you were pretty adamant about shorting there in that 15-minute range in the open, and it paid bigly. 200 points down. At one point yesterday, you didn't even know you forgot you were even short.
I know.
I got faith in Terri.
Come on, Terri.
Come on, Terri. Market is open.
Down. Okay, I'm gonna hop in a short, quick scalp here. 270 bucks.
Oh, see what this candle does. If we get like another candle down to the 500s, I'll take a long.
I will take the 5-minute opening range trade. The break, if it breaks on the high side. That made me feel more confident hearing DMoney say, like, yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
His name is DMoney.
So if we can get back above 578, I would be looking to take a long.
I'm gonna hop in short then. Whoa, we're already almost at negative 300 points in NQ.
You want to trade momentum, right? Because it's easier than trade in the chop fest. Just kind of wait it out, be patient. I wouldn't be surprised if there's some kind of pushback up.
Push.
Push.
I think at this point I'm looking for like a reversal. Once we get a full retracement, then maybe take a short down.
Yeah, well, you're getting your pushback up here. Are you feeling shorty yet?
Tempted to take the short, but news is what's coming out in 8 minutes.
Yeah, that's the only. I would be tempted too because it almost tapped the 14 EMA.
Because it's like playing golf. An amateur and a pro can play the exact same course. Like with trading in the markets, like we get to do that. We get to compete. We get to like improve every day and make our way up to be like the top 1%, right?
If we get rejected here and we kind of start to move down, I'm gonna go for the short.
Possibly 541. I mean, I'm up $520 right now.
It'll come DMoney for nothing.
Let's go, DMoney.
Got in at 462.
Woo! 40 points here. Let's go.
Let's go, Chan.
Wow.
But that was 700 bucks. What we saw at the open of this 10 a.m. candle, it was a small wick that was put in to the downside, right? And if you look at the 1 hour chart, that wick is only about not even 10 points. The entry was there because I got in around 440 area. My stop was actually the low of the previous 1 hour candle. So you had about a 20, 25 point stop.
Yeah, great trade either way.
It's funny because I've gotten burned so many times because I would be looking for the short.
Bottom of the hour.
Yeah, I'm like, what is going on? I had to kind of switch my plan, my strategy, and that's when I kind of stumbled upon this whole wick theory.
Ooh, it's going. Okay, I'm gonna hop in long.
Oh, no.
Oh, I'm going. So I'm up about $1,000 on the day in this account, and I'm going to risk 1 for 1 off of the first 5-minute bar. My target is 628 about. It could be a trick, right? Like this could be a rejection off the VWAP.
About 700 on the day so far.
I can always add into this if I need, like, not that I need to, but we'll see if we can get just like a quick little hit here. Give me 15 points. Terry's long, I'm long. D-Money's already up big. See, like now I don't have the FOMO anymore. Yeah. I locked it in, got 15 points. So I'm like, okay.
Sweet.
Everybody wants to know what's the secret to day trading. I'm like, learn what you're bad at. Why'd you book profit?
Because, so I just wanted to book it. So I booked like 20 points.
Probably if you were at home, if you were not online, you would still be long.
Probably would have held it long.
You know, because I get it. Like, it's when you're up 20, 30 points, you're on the live stream, it's kind of just like, it's easier to take profit and be like, look, I did it. I did it. You know, like, I'm green. I'm green. Look at me.
I've had it so many times when you're up like 60, 70 points and then it comes right back down and takes you out. You have to be content. Take what you can get.
I like the fact that, like, I don't feel like you're stuck to any bias.
Thank you.
You've held some shorts, but like this week, but it wasn't because you were like overly bearish. It was just the fact that like I'm in this short, I have my stop, and like that's my trade.
Yeah. And
then today, again, like you kind of took a short, you made money, and then you saw another opportunity to get long, and you're like, okay, now I'm long. Other than the hourly that you're really looking at, D-Money?
It would be the 5-minute. I didn't have a lot of success with the 1 minute chart. A lot of
when the market's trending, it's great, but when it's chopping, that's when you get absolutely fucking destroyed.
The lower time frames, there's more noise. You're gonna be tempted to close. Maybe you're gonna close early, which is frustrating sometimes. The overall trend in the opening, you know, at the open obviously was bearish. So you take what you can get and move on.
Take the trade and live to fight another day. Now my trade's pulling back here, probably build out more of a bull flag, but
the thought process is that for price to continue to go lower, typically you're gonna get a push back up. It has to build some energy before it's gonna drop. My entry was around the 440 area. I was looking for that push up to gain more momentum and build a top wick. If it was gonna continue to drop, it had to probably build a top wick. That was the thought process. Plus, if you look at the 1 hour, you had 6 red candles in a row. So it's a higher probability that price is going to reverse to the upside before continuing to drop. And the initial take profit was that 546 area, which was about, what, 100 points higher, but I did close earlier.
I'm still long. We'll see what happens with this pivot point. If we can hold this, basically I think as long as we can hold 600, it's pretty like almost identical wicks there. We just need some momentum to get through there.
Push.
Right time, boys.
Holy smokes.
Might have gotten lucky here.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get lucky in life, you know? All right, I'm all out from the longs there.
Great trade, great trade. I like you, D-Money.
Oh,
Come on,
Terri likes
Terri.
DMoney.
Come on, Terri.
Come on, Terry.
When you're a beginner trader, having like very realistic like profit targets and just, you know, that's gonna help you so much more. Making $50 a day, you know, you times 20, that's a couple $1,000s a month, and then you can just like do that consistently, and then over time you just size up.
$50 a day, it might sound easy to do, but to be honest, if you're just starting out, it's not easy to do.
Hold your purse. Everyone hold your purse. Volatility's here.
It looks like a retest on the 5-minute chart to the downside, and you don't want to get married to it because obviously there's momentum to the upside, right? But on a higher time frame, we know that typically a wick has to form. It has to gain energy to push up. Typically, they're going to trap sellers in order to push the market up, right? And then if it's, you know, going the opposite direction, it's vice versa. So you have to kind of know that if you're looking at the lower time frame. And that's why on the lower time frame, if you're not careful and you don't at least glance at the higher time frame, it's easy to be caught off guard.
10 points for DMoney over here looking for it.
Nice, there it is. Damn, I'm out.
DMoney making money and Terri making money at the same time.
So end the day about $600. My stop is above the 11:10 a.m. candle. So it's at 6:59.
All right.
Bracket orders in.
So my mom was like, "You're not gonna make no money, boy."
My dad said the same thing.
Yeah, it's like I think she like had an idea like, oh, he's gonna be doing something with computers, and it's funny because now like that she's seeing some payouts and stuff, she's like, oh yeah, I told you you're gonna be good at that. Like,
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
it's like she kind of switched, but initially she wasn't for it.
Oh my God.
I know, I'm getting smoked in this short.
Terri, get out, Terri.
Stop loss did get hit, guys, but it is okay because we're practicing good risk management. My account is still up $710, and that will be it for me.
I like DMoney's idea, you know, with the 1 hour chart. He's like, I got fucked enough times, and I was like, I don't want to do this no more.
Yeah,
I don't want to get fucked anymore.
I got violated.
I'm over it. I'm not letting the NASDAQ rate me no more.
I got my rights.
So about 40 points there from the 21s. I had 5 minis. It's weird trading a real account.
I had a month where it was a record month for me as far as an amount of payouts.
Yeah.
And I took $5,000 from my bank account, transferred it into a live account. Right? I'm like,
How'd that go?
oh my God, I got smoked. And now I'm like, okay, how long can I keep a sim-funded account for? And then let that give me the feedback of when I'm ready to go back into like a personal cash account again.
What's been
I
your
love it.
experience so far?
So
I think it's
fun.
gotta be cool.
To be here is absolutely incredible. To be in the studio, it's incredible.
Right, this has always been my vision. To bring different people in here, have different ideas, be constructive, like we can all talk, we can make fun of like, oh, DMoney, you got long down there, you idiot, you know, like it's fun. Big shout out to Terri. She walked into the lion's den and she's held her own all week long. Big thank you, Terri and DMoney coming in here today. We green, baby.
We're all green.
Come on, Terry.
Terri, back it up, Terri, back it up.
I don't know how to twerk, you guys.
man.
I don't know. It looks so simple. It's like,
Back it up, Terri, back it up. Maybe tomorrow, Fresh Cast Friday, we'll have a twerk off.
I enjoyed trading with you guys today, Terry. You're a blast too. So,
thank you.
PW, thanks for having me back.
Hey, always a pleasure, DMoney. We can do it all over tomorrow. Yay!
Yes.
Well, editor, you know what to do.
Well, this was so fun. I got to hang out and trade with DMoney. Ended the day green. Caught some good trades in the beginning. I did take one trade and I knew that, okay, well, let's see. I'm thinking that it's going to be a good short, and I ended up losing the trade, but that's okay because I used good risk management. Ended the day green by about $700.
Great day today at the BDH. Was able to catch a 1 hour strategy that I used from a wick standpoint. Took some buys and sells. Ended the day green about $940. Awesome vibes today.
Let's go get some pina coladas.
Let's go do it.